and today I'm just going to be going over my trades for today. So far, we're up 2,000. I'm at almost an 80% win rate, profit factor of 3. I've taken 24 total trades, and my average win is 148. My average loss is 161. And the only reason that's higher is because every now and then I'll trade one or two in queue. And so far, we're on a 3 day win streak. Um, with eight, yeah, 3 day win streak this week, and we're up 2,007. This is with without fees included. This is the actual P&L. As you can see, if I go here, basically the same win rate. Um, let's move on. Hopefully, y'all can't hear that. Somebody FaceTiming me. Okay, so here are my trades, and I'm gonna go to the chart. This is my journal. Type 3. I didn't really know exactly where it would go because when I show you the chart, uh, there was a support area with a bunch of buyers before market open, but also there was a huge sell off. This doesn't make it really clear. So when I go to the chart, I need to stick to trading type threes. And that's my trade history for today. And I took 4 trades. So let me go to, yeah, today. 177, or basically, yeah, 177, 542. Well, actually, without fees. 180, 545, 19, and 132. Um, Same stats here, obviously. But this is what I seen today. If I could reset this chart. So we had a huge sell off at 4:15 before market open. So last session. And when I got up it was around, okay. So when I got up, I wasn't sure exactly what price was going to do because we had already bounced at around, what is that, 7:30? So there was support or buyers right down here, and we had a decent size move up. But I did see this pullback to where this candle. Can I zoom in easier on MacBook? Where this candle closed below this low of this buy candle. So I felt like the sellers were in more control or whatever. I don't even know why I have this MA on because I don't really use this, but it's lining up with what I seen today. So when market opened, all I was waiting for was to see, are we going to push up and try to break this area here, the most recent high, or are we just going to go into more of a pullback again where we're going to come up here and push down? That's exactly what we did. Now, granted, price came down here. I think it was around this area. Price came down about this area, and I had got out. And then all of a sudden, a bunch of buyers came in and pushed it all the way up here. So we had a wick, right? So buyers did try to push back up. It failed. And honestly, had I not locked my account for the day, I could have waited until 9 a.m. Well, 9:15. I could have waited to 9:15 for another pullback and got in for another trade. But I'm just trying to pass this without over trading. Um, and and what's been working for me, especially lately, since I've had more time to focus on trading, since I've had other stuff going on, is I'm trying to take the same exact setup every single time. I'm only trying to take pullbacks. Well, it's sort of a pullback, but I'm trying to take pullback slash type three entries. So I used to get stopped out a lot trying to trade right at support or resistance every single time, and I would get stopped out. Then it would go my direction, and I would get caught up in the mix. But now I'm kind of waiting for a price to hit an area, show me that there's support there or resistance there, wait for it to buy or sell off for a little bit, and just wait for the area for it to return to that area or return to 50% of that area. And it's been working way better for me with less stress on trading. So even if I go to my journal, if you look at like my continuations, I only made $18 on this. Now it was really 440. If I go back to dashboard, oh, 475. So essentially 440 because this is without without fees. But now that I'm taking just those type 3 setups, if I go back, type 3, 545, like I'm getting bigger profits. Even on this one on that's okay. So this is from today that I just showed y'all. And as you can see, I drew up it retracing again. And I could have stayed and sold off again. And then here on Tuesday, huge buy up before market open. Uh, Broke a high, came back down, and I was just waiting on that pullback and for price to show me that there's potential that we can just buy, because obviously there was a huge sell off, so we don't know what we could do. And I think it did end up selling off again once it got up here, but that's what's been working for me. But yeah, that's it for the video. I've been using this journal. This journal has been helping me a lot because now, depending on the setup, or like I haven't even put really in my strategy. Let me see. Um, and then the AI insights has kind of been helping me. Like for example, my setup performance, I have a on type threes. I have a strong edge. Continuation is not really a strong edge, to me at all, because basically I need to update the app to where in the journal it's not just a bunch of trades or whatever. It actually goes by the date. On top of that, as you can see, if I go to the journal and then let's go 14 just today, and then all. Well, I guess it actually don't matter because I only journaled one trade for today. I only have one trade here, but I took 4 trades today total. So I'm only journaling one until I can select a group of trades, or yeah, select a certain group of trades and journal them all at the same time. But that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.